Dear friends, welcome to Sugama Tutorials. Earlier we have seen the band combination and different composites. Now we are going to see unsupervised classification. We have to classify, extract information, land use, land cover by unsupervised classification. Let us see how we can just do the unsupervised classification. For which, first you have to open all the bands. I have opened all 7 bands. Then I have to go to SCP. The SCP band set, I have to click it. Then I have to refresh it. Open it from where I have taken. I just open the directory and just cancelling. So all the bands, whatever you have opened in the layer, has come in the band set. So you select all the bands, add it to your band set. In the plus mark, click the plus mark. So you have created band set 1. All the bands have come in the band set. Then you have to go to type of satellite, which is Landsat 8, from where we have taken the value. The center value has come. Now we have seen earlier up to this. Now you have to go to band processing. In the left hand side you have got a band processing. The band processing, you have clustering. Click the clustering. Once you click the clustering, your band set 1 has come here, and then k-means is highlighted. ISO data, there are 2 classifications are there, unsupervised. Common thing is, easiest thing is k-means. Okay. Default 10 classes are there. Number of iteration 10. So this is how it has come. If you want to have number of classes 5, you have to give 5 iteration, and then you have to give 5 here. Number. If it is a 15, then you have to give 15 iteration. You have to give 15 number here. So once you give, now I am just giving 10 classification default. Let us see how it is classifying the image from the band set. So let us go and run it. And just, it is asking where it has to be. So unsupervised. Unsupervised 10 classification. Okay, I have asked for 10 classes, so I am giving unsuper 10 classes. Save it. Now you see the calculation is going on in the top. It is first iteration, so it will complete 10 iteration and then bring out the classified image, unsupervised classification image. You have to patiently wait for it. Suppose you want to make 3 classes or 4 classes. Accordingly, the iteration also should be given. Iteration is that it will create a cycle. That is, it will just go through all the picture elements, digital numbers, and then try to group it and then bring out results. So the second iteration classification is there. If the area is very big, see, it takes time. That is why I said in the earlier class, small area you have to take it and then process it, then you can finally melt it all together. If you try to process the whole image, it will take more time. Third classification iteration is going on. If you give less number of classes, it will group less numbers. Some features will not get highlighted. So you have to give higher number. Here we are trying with the 10 classes. That is sufficient. If you want more also, you can just add more, like a 12 or 15. Now the fourth iteration is going on. Now fifth iteration is, so it has to go through all the columns, rows, pixel wise it will go through it, and then pick up the digital numbers, digital values, and then group it, and then bring it unsupervised classification. In this unsupervised classification, the computer is performing the groups. We are not doing anything. We are asking number of classes. Suppose if you want to have 10, now 10 classes or 12 classes, it will bring out. Whereas in supervised classification, we have to supervise which are the areas. We have to give some example, and then that based on the example, the training set signature, the computer will process it. It is unsupervised. Any area we can do unsupervised classification. Now the sixth iteration is going on. Now seventh iteration is started. 3 more iteration is needed for unsupervised classification. Now eighth iteration started. Now ninth iteration takes place. The last iteration, when it ends with the beep sound, it will bring out the result on the left side in the layers. It's going to be over now. So it's almost over. See, it's completed. So you can see the changes in the color. See, one table will come like this. We close this window, and then you have got different colors are there. So I am making invisible of all other bands. Then you got unsupervised 10 has come. So this you have to click on the left side button. See, so once you click the left side, there's a small arrow is there. If you click over that, you got all the classifications. See, 1, 2, like this 10 classification, 10 land use classification, unsupervised classes has come. Since I know this area, this is the OT area, already I told you. Just I am zooming a portion of it. See, this is a lake area. OT lake area is here. And race course I told you, race course also there. And these are all settlement area. So let us see that this is a blue color. One is change the color. I know this is a water body. I'm just giving blue color. Apply. See, wherever you have water body, say for example, here also we have water body. All the water body has become blue. Then we have identified earlier this is a forest area. If you want to know about it, you have to open the Google Maps satellite, and then you can confirm it. That is just like a field verification. You can open it and then verify it. Since I know this area, this is Beddabedda somewhere. Beddabedda is somewhere here, and then forest area. These are a forest area. So double click on this, change it, give a deep green color. Apply. OK. See, forest area has been classified. And then you have maybe a grassland or open area grassland. Double click it. Light green grassland I am giving color. We don't know, sometimes maybe a grassland or cultivable land, so I just given grassland. Fourth one I am just making as a tea plantation area. See, earlier in the color composite we have seen different areas. See, now the tea plantation has come, and then this is a forest area. These are the area. This blue color is a built-up area. This also built-up area. All these categories are built up area. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all built up areas. So you just go to properties. See the 5 settlement area, we give deep red color. Okay. Then again 5 also settlement area. Go to red you are giving. Again 6 also settlement area. Deep red. And then 7 also settlement area. You remove the last one. This also you can remove it. Apply. Say OK. Minimize it. So zoom to layer. Here something, most of the area, some wrong classification we have made it. That is why all become red. So go to properties. This is tea plantation. Now, because wrongly we marked, and then this is all tea estates, and then it's all agricultural land. So you have to give label. See, this is a OT area, built up area. So this is how we have to classify it. This is all just generally we are classifying with our knowledge. Also price classification. In the color composite, it's very difficult to separate each and everything. Now it has classified, the computer itself classified the water body. Suppose I wanted to take the water body alone, unsettlement area alone, forest area alone. Like that I can separate it and then just bring it to my vector format. See, first I'll go to give the label for it. Properties. See, this is water body. You just type it. Water body. The second one is forest. Type it forest. This is I am putting agricultural land. This is tea plantations. Then settlement. Settlements. So I have given the label, apply. See, whatever I have given, I have classified water body, forest area, agricultural land, tea plantation, settlement area. So if you want to verify with the Google map, just check it up. See, just like a field verification. See the dark area, forest area. See, it is coinciding with the high resolution Google map. It's dark green is forest area. It is agreeing. And then wherever you have Ooty area, they've got a different signatures. So all these things we clubbed and then made it as a settlement area. So all the red patches are settlement area, and then blue color water body, and then this is all tea plantation area. So roughly we have made a unsupervised classification. You can just take it to your land use land cover, that is layout. You can just make it. For example, I am just going here, project. You have to create a layout. I'm just saying land use. Your layout has come. The layout, you have to add the item, map, your map has come, and then you have to add legend. So I am adding legend. So in the legend, as I told you, whatever you want, you can add it, or rest everything, you can leave it. We opened everything. See, we don't want this. So you have to remove this auto load, auto update. You have to tick mark, you have to remove it. So you remove this from this. See, unsupervised. See, here you land use do it later. This we have to remove it. We can want this. Land use, land cover title we have given, and then this unsupervised, we remove it. Sorry. This one settlement you can retain, rest everything you can remove it. See your legend title you have to give references. Let's enter it. See, you can give a title here. This is how you have to add label. Just giving general title. Ooty land cover 2021. Make it bold. Center it. So you can export it. See, OT land use land cover 2021. All the red color are settlement areas, forest areas, agricultural land, and these are all tea plantation. So from unsupervised classification, we have made this land use land cover. This is how we have to create it. Some areas, some discrepancy will be there that we have to supervise, we have to do it. It's a general map. So this is how you have to, so this we can export it as an image. Land use TIFF. I'm just saving it. So over. Now I have to take only water body. This is all raster format. I have to vectorize it. How I can vectorize it? So just I have to go to raster calculation. The raster calculation, you have got unsupervised. Click it. Equal to water body is 1. You type 1. So I am giving the name water body. Say OK. See, your water body has come. The white color is a water body, and then all the rest of the things different areas. So it is separated. So I have to go here, go to properties, classify. You are getting 0, and then wherever you got a 1, that is a water body, apply. See water body has come. You need not spend time in digitizing. You can just go here, raster, extraction, conversion, polygonize to vector. Just this is a water body, or DN value is there. Simply run it. So your vectorized thing has come. You have to right click it, go to your attribute table. So wherever you have got a 1, that is water body, 0 is other areas. So you have to go here, field values, DN value equal to 1. See, all the water bodies, wherever you have got a water body is been selected. So you just right click it, export, save selected feature as. Just going to the thing, and then again type in water body 2. Already I have one water body, so I'm just giving water body 2. So the new water body has come. See, the only water body has been digitized. See, you need not spend time in digitizing. This is how you can make unsupervised classification. You can extract the information, convert it into your vector. This is how you have to do your unsupervised classification using QGIS and then classify the image. Hope it is interesting for you. If it is interesting, please press the bell, like button, share it with your friends and practice it. If you have any comments, please comment it. Thank you so much.